Nokia 6820 disassembly. Be sure to be connected to the earth connection box and your ESD wristband. You need a Torx Plus driver size 6, a slotted screwdriver, tweezers, a charger plug, the dental tool, SRT6 and 10. Verify optical condition of window. Unlock battery cover and remove it. Release battery. Release A cover by using SRT6 only. Release plastic clips while pressing the cover with moderate force before lifting the A cover carefully. Do not twist SRT6 while releasing the clips.